Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and I am SUMA BABU. Have you heard of a mural painting? Mural painting is any piece of artwork painted and applied directly on a wall, ceiling or any other permanent surfaces. Without any doubt, we can say that murals have been around us since humans started to express their emotions. Materials used in a mural paintings are tempera colors, oil colors, acrylic colors, etc. After painting a mural, it is mandatory to varnish the painting to protect it from UV rays and any surface damages.
Hi! Today I am planning to paint this thin wall in my house with a wall mural. Before painting a wall mural, you have to prepare the wall first. In case of damp wall, there is a chance of chipping off your painting later. So, clean the surface thoroughly and apply wall putty to level the surface. Then apply 2 coats of primer. But my wall is already seasoned, so I am painting directly on the wall. We will paint a rose plant. For that, it is always good to sketch the picture using a pencil. But here I am painting directly with paint. First we have to make the main stem where we are going to paint the leaves. It is a kind of root map. While painting leaves, you can paint one by one like this, or else like this. Just paint the dark tones first and then over that you can paint lighter toned leaves. Here you need not to worry about making a hyper realistic leaves. Once you complete the foliage, you can paint flowers. This is the simplest way of painting a rose. I am going to add more roses wherever I need it. This is the final output.
I'm happy that it turned out so well. If you want to see similar kind of content, subscribe to my channel. Your every like, share and comment really matters to me. It works as a booster to make more and more good videos like this. Thank you guys for watching the video